and welcome to another Free.volous webisode. It is time for another Look Fantastic beauty box unboxing. So here we go. This is the birthday box edition. So happy birthday, Look Fantastic. I think it's been 4 years since the first beauty box, and they say another again, another year older and more fantastic than ever. Okay, you do you, Look Fantastic. Now, inside, again, the usual magazine, and this time we have a discount code for the Advent calendar. It's September, damn it, but I really love Advent calendars. Let's jump into the products. This is going to get the first thing in the box, this is going to be all dirty, but I don't care, is the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. The elasticizing factor of this shampoo treatment smooths each strand to incredible silkiness, improves the suppleness of your hair, stretchability, strength, and shine, whilst leaving it softer, less brittle, beautifully manageable, and lustrous. You should apply this before shampooing to wet hair, in sections, leave in for 2 to 3 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly, shampoo and conditioner as usual. So yeah, I think we've already got, yes, I already have a sample of the elasticizer. Because of the fuss of applying it before shampoo, I didn't give it a fair shot, and it probably, the one that I had is probably expired. Yeah, this is, oh, it's 18 months. I don't know, it's probably expired, so I'll give this one another shot. Although, as you know, I have oily, very fine hair, so with caution. Next product in the box is the Omorovicza Ultra More Mud Mask. Again, we've had this before. Detox, cleanse, and revive your skin with this mask that works to purify, energize, and define the contours of your face. Using a range of anti-aging benefits, this clay mask expertly hydrates and protects your skin as it works deeply to lift and brighten your complexion. A clay mask that hydrates, that's unheard of. Again, I think we've had this. I think I used it and I really enjoyed it, but because this is such an expensive brand and it's a clay mask, as far as I remember, it was really nice, but I didn't feel like I had to buy it. But again, I'll give it a shot once more. Another repeat. We have Eve Lom cleanser and half a muslin cloth. Okay, if you call it a half a muslin cloth. Regenerate your skin like never before with Eve Lom's multi-award winning multi-purpose skin cleanser, suitable for all skin types. This exfoliating cleanser decongests, softens, and even removes stubborn, waterproof makeup from your skin. Apply it once a day for normal dry skin types or twice a day for congested skins. I've used this one. I liked it, but there was one complaint in my life regarding this cleanser, which is this had mineral oil in it, and mineral oil breaks me out. And despite this is one of those products that you don't leave on your skin for a long time and you're going to remove it and all of that, being such a exquisite, is my dog, yeah, being such an elegant balm, I would use this as a second cleanser, not necessarily as a makeup remover. So I would do a longer massage onto my face with it, and that means that I'm making the mineral oil penetrate my pores. But I've heard, please excuse my dog, I've heard that they have reformulated this. I'm going to check if this is the new formula, if I can. And again, I like this cleanser. For the price, I just prefer the Emma Hardy one, which in terms of ingredients list, at least when this one had mineral oil in it, they were uncomparable, and the Emma Hardy one was way better. This is a brand we've already had in the box, but not the same product. This is the Mane and Tail Original Hoof Maker hand and nail cream. This fast absorbing and non-greasy cream targets cracked, dry skin not only on your hands but on your feet and body. When applied to hands, it strengthens and protects nails to leave them strong and healthy. Expect smooth, comfortable and rejuvenated skin all over straight after application. It's can you see that? It doesn't have, well, it's filled to the brim. I thought this was going to collapse inside, but no, it's filled to the brim. Nice. It has a very soft, clean scent, which I don't mind at all. Yeah, it smells like a generic hand cream or cream, but it feels really nice. It is fast absorbing. Working it into my cuticles as we speak. For now, it's feeling a bit sticky. Let's see for how long. But yeah, it smells good. It's a good amount, but this is probably pennies. Let's see. I like hand creams. I always forget to apply them, but I like the idea of them. Next product in the box is the Lord & Berry Strobing Pencil. Add a subtle glow to your skin with this pink highlighting pencil by Lord & Berry. This is perfect to create a radiant glow in specific areas of your face thanks to the precision tip. It is so multifunctional. You can use this on your cheekbones, brow bones, on your cupid's bow, or wherever else you fancy. It has a pretty pinky reflective pearl finish, and it is blending okay. I don't know how this would work on the tops of the cheekbones because I think this line is quite stark. Let's see. Inner corner. Ooh. Inner corners. Okay. The Instagram knows. This color is really beautiful for my skin tone. This will not be universal, of course, because it's not that sheer. It has a colored base. Yeah, this is good for precision application. I'm going to risk it on this side of my face, but yeah, it's a bit too harsh of a formula, a bit too dry. And when you blend it into a larger surface, it seems to kind of diffuse. But you don't look streaky, which is good. Even this out on both sides. When it is diffused, so applied to a larger section of your face, it doesn't have that much of an impact, but on the inner corners of the eyes and all of that, it's looking pretty nice. Pretty darn nice, don't you think? I'm not one to go for pencil highlighters, just because the formulas tend to be a bit drier. I would prefer this to be in that roll-up kind of stick eyeshadow format, so that it would allow the product to be a bit softer, but yeah. It looks nice. Next and final product in the box is the Aromatherapy Associates oil, and this one is the Revive Morning Bath and Shower Oil. Make your bath or shower time even better with this luxurious bath and shower oil by Aromatherapy Associates. This month you'll have either received the Lavender and Peppermint or Revive Morning Bath and Shower Oil. Both allow you to indulge in a moment of peace and experience the invigorating powers of aromatherapy in the comfort of your own home. Add a capful of the oil to your warm bath or massage onto your torso. Cup your hands, bring them to your face and inhale deeply 3 times. Let me just smell to see if I want to inhale this deeply. Oh, I wouldn't mind that at all. It smells warm. Does that make sense? Let's do the only thing possible in front of a camera. Yeah. It smells slightly eucalyptusy, slightly mentholy, but still warm. But this would open your lungs, I think. It smells like Vicks Vapor Rub in a sense, which is weird because Vicks Vapor Rub is kind of a cheap thing in life. But this in the bath oil must be amazing. I will not have time for baths for the next 2 months. So just letting you know, there will probably be no huge update on this product. Last in the box there is the Palmer Violets Swizzles Sweeties, which is sweet and nice. I'm trying to cut on sugar, so I'll pass these on. These are the products from this month. I'll let you know of the overall value and all of that right here. And let's jump into the products from last month. But before that, congratulations, happy birthday, you look fantastic. It's the only beauty box available in Portugal, so I like you because it's a dictatorship. Now, please hold, there's a neighbor doing a scene outside. So that happened. Let's jump into the products really quickly. I've used the Molten Brown Gingerly Body Wash. Actually, when you rub it onto your skin and with the water, it turns out a bit more flowery that I usually prefer. It's a great formula, it's a good body wash, nothing more to say about it than that. It's just the kind of scent is not my kind of scent. The Mio Boob Tube. I didn't get to use this enough because I keep forgetting. I put my pajama on and there you go, there goes the chance of applying boob cream. And when I shower, I usually do my in-shower hydration with Lush King of Skin. So I didn't give this enough of a shot. I'll try. I can't promise anything. Erno Laszlo Firmarine Lift Essence Lotion. Again, I didn't feel much with this. I used this a few times. It's not hydrating, it's just a gel. You apply it onto your skin, it kind of disappears. It doesn't interfere with other products. But yeah, when it comes to Erno Laszlo, I was so burnt in a way with the previous product that we got from them that I kind of just forget that it's there on my nightstand for me to try it out. I'm just being really honest, and so I usually go for I should try that, I should apply that, and then I think, oh, but what if something goes wrong? And I don't. And that's called trust. That's something you build with your customers. From Blink Bar, from Blink Brow Bar, this is the Brow Build Gel, and you've seen me use this on the first impression. I was not that into it because it had a lot of product, and it was a little bit difficult to apply. It kind of went everywhere and it smudged, but along this month this has dried down a bit and it's really nice to apply. So it saved me from buying a new brow gel for the next couple of months until this completely dries out. So I've been quite happy with this one. Now regarding the Glaze Nova Intense Color Lip Glaze from Incredible. This is nice. I've used it just a couple of times just because I wasn't into these kinds of colors for now. This is a nice stain, a nice glossy stain. My problem is with glossy and creamy, highly pigmented or bold colors. I'm always afraid that a gust of wind and you will have stripes all over your face because of the hair. And yeah, I haven't used it that often just because I'm not into this color at the moment. Waiting for the winter. Not that I want the winter to come. I would stay in summer happily. Now the star of the show for me, and I'm leaving this for last, is the Balance Me Pure Skin Face Wash. I wasn't expecting to enjoy this as much as I have. This is fairly inexpensive. I think it's about 18 euros for the full size. And this is a wonderful, lightweight, second cleanse product that is completely fuss-free. I could see a lot of people with oilier skins enjoying this and combo skin, but I've seen people even with dry skin saying that they love this. So after your makeup removing oil or balm, applying this as a second cleanse, it just feels deeply clean but not stripped at all. And so I was very, very impressed with this one. I must say then that even more than with the First Aid Beauty cleanser, the Elemis one that we got, and I rate the First Aid Beauty cleanser a lot, but this has surpassed it and it's far cheaper. So if you're looking for a second cleanser, a morning cleanser, look no further. I took this with me on holiday, so there you go. And that's it. This is the overview of this month's box and also the review on last month's box's products. This is so hard to say. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Share with me in the comments below your impressions on the products you got. I love to hear from you in the comments. And yeah, other than that, please leave me a thumbs up down below if you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share my channel. And as always, thank you for spending your time on me. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!